here we are as a regular E major chord. Hoping most of you are familiar with that one. As usual, we're going to start with lifting the fingers off. Now, the first problem that we get here, if we lift off our first finger, we have an E minor. Now, generally speaking, you can't substitute an E major for an E minor. It sounds a little bit weird. But what you can do is hammer on that first finger. That can sound real bluesy. So have that kind of thing, or where I'm just playing like an E sus4. We'll talk about that in a minute with the little finger. And then hammering on the first finger.